In this video, Pete Bristow from Forever Video joins me to help test out the studio. There's still lots of work to do, but we use the opportunity to discuss how auto vision mixing might work.
So have you got this set to auto trigger depending on who's speaking?
No.
I know you're switching.
I'm switching on the app.
See, I'm trying to work out how to do that on the TriCaster.
Okay.
Because you can set it to follow, or set it to macros like you've got here. But it would be nice to have an audio trigger that sends a macro to switch.
And it's really easy. I mean, with an ATEM, it's just about a level. I mean, you could use any sound card in the Raspberry Pi and then just fire the commands at the ATEM direct.
It's got to hit a threshold, isn't it? It's got to be a certain level of volume, continuous for a certain time before it switches. So it might be like a second, but then you've got to have a delay before it switches back. So you'd have run, say, 6 seconds on that camera as a minimum before we can switch again.
It's quite, because the one that you got at 5 Live, I think it works like it cuts to the person talking. If multiple people talk, it cuts to a wide shot, and then you get everyone.
That's it, yeah.
And then if it's something that's not internal, it cuts to the wide shot because, like, you might have a phone caller or something like that.
Yeah.
And what's the other thing? I mean, and it's got like a priority, so. And it will hold a shot for, say, 7-10 seconds, but then it will switch to another shot like that just to keep the visual interest.
Exactly. Yeah. No, I love it.
So it is quite complex, but nothing beats a human doing it.
No, this is it, because you've got to have essentially about probably 6 or 7 layers of algorithm running, and the priority increases as you go up the layer.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, it's quite fascinating because I say if I can get the TriCaster to do that, the TriCaster's doing everything. I mean, you don't use it for everything. It's like I wouldn't use it to stream. I'd push it out on a separate unit or something like that. But it's really, really quite handy.
I mean, the biggest thing I think would be to get the audio reliably detected. Yeah, and I think the easiest way would use like a USB 4 input sound card, and then detect it from the mic insert point or something like that.
So this will probably turn into a challenge and possibly a future video to make an auto vision mixing app to drive an ATEM vision mixer. Do the like, subscribe, comment type thing for more geeky content like this and to find out how we develop our ideas of the auto vision mixing system.